Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change Facebook page name. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and click on your profile at the top right. And after that, just simply select one of your page that you want to change the name. And after that, once you have switched to your page, just simply click on your profile again on the top right and go to settings and privacy. And after that, just simply go to settings. And now from here, just simply go to the left side over here and just simply go for a page setup. So click on page setup. And after that, you should be able to see here the name. So just simply go for view over here. And after that, at the top, you should be able to see here your name and you should be able to see the edit button over here. So click on edit. So now, as you can see, if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. So guys, from here, just simply provide the new name. I'm gonna go for simplified. And after that, just simply click on review change over here. And now, as you can see, just simply go ahead and provide your password over here. And as you can see, it may take up to 3 days to apply the changes and click on request change. And as you can see, if the page name is not available, it will show something like this. So just simply provide a new one. And after that, just simply do the same process and click on request change, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.